Are you looking for a luxury apartment community in Garner, North Carolina? Welcome to Abberly Place by HHHunt. A place like no other in town, our apartments offer you an incomparable lifestyle in an unbeatable location close to Raleigh, North Carolina. It is so convenient and is located next to major highways such as I-40 and US 70. As a resident, you will enjoy an array of community amenities. These include multiple leash-free dog parks, 2 gorgeous swimming pools with Wi-Fi access and sun decks, and 2 fitness centers with cardio equipment and free weights. Not to mention our rec room with a pool table, foosball, coffee bar, multiple HD TVs, and internet access. The clubhouse in our leasing center offers you a place to unwind or meet up with neighbors. Want more amenities? Well, we've got them. Car cleaning stations, convenient mail kiosk, outdoor kitchens, a playground, storage facilities, garages, and 2 business centers. Plenty of planned spaces where you can work and play. What about your home? Well, Abberly Place offers 16 pet-friendly floor plans from 1 bedrooms to 3 bedrooms, ranging from 723 square feet to 1,380 square feet. Our apartments can easily accommodate any lifestyle. Inside, you'll find a thoughtful open space design with large windows and expansive 9-foot ceilings capped with triple crown molding for an extra touch of elegance. The fully equipped kitchens come with multiple finish options, and the walk-in closets are huge. The owner suites are designed as a personal oasis, allowing you to relax and recharge. Select homes also have built-in bookshelves, breakfast nooks, and washer and dryer sets. All homes offer a state-of-the-art smart home technology package including keyless entry and smart thermostats. All of this plus a management team focused on customer service. We are excited for you to take a tour today, and we can't wait to meet you. To book your personal tour, please visit abberlyplace.com. Abberly Place is part of HHHunt Apartment Living. For a full list of our communities, please visit HHHuntApartmentLiving.com. Because at HHHunt, it's how you live that matters.